Users who aren't sure exactly what they want often prefer to browse all products within a category to explore their options. But without a view all option, many couldn't compare products or find what they needed. Let's look at why it matters and how to implement it effectively on mobile. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 1006 of Baymard's original large-scale usability test findings. Have a view all option in the main navigation at each level of the mobile product catalog. On backdrop, users exploring interior paint can view subcategories like standard finish and semi-gloss finish, but they can't see all interior paint products at once. Tapping the interior menu item just expands the subcategories, making it harder to compare options and assess the full range. When users can't view products from all relevant subcategories at once, as seen here on Raymore and Flanagan, assessing and comparing products becomes needlessly difficult. To give users access to the broadest scope at each level of the hierarchy, include a View All option in the main navigation at every level. Use clear phrasing like View All or See All so users know exactly what to expect. Place this option as the first item in the list. Testing showed that when it appeared further down, users often missed it. When users aren't ready to dive into subcategories, often because they're unsure of the differences, links like All bracelets on Pandora help them get a broad overview first. While View All bracelets would be even clearer, the underlined text and straightforward wording make it unlikely users will misunderstand what tapping the link will do. The presence of a Shop All Coats plus Jackets menu item was just what this user on Urban Outfitters needed to get a broad overview of all 5 subtypes within that category. At Sephora, users can view a broader selection by tapping the top-level category they're currently in, like tapping Makeup to see all makeup products. However, testing showed that many users didn't realize this was possible. Most didn't assume that tapping the current top-level nav item would lead to a full product list, making the broader scope harder to access. On Periellis, tapping the arrow next to Tops reveals subcategories, while tapping the word Tops itself takes users to a broader listing of all items in that category. However, not all users recognize these as separate hit areas, and those who don't will miss the option to view all tops through the menu. These were just a few highlights from our research findings. We offer much more in-depth guidance on optimizing your main navigation, with over 40 actionable guidelines available in our research catalog. To explore further, visit baymard.com/product.